Hello, welcome to the Spring 2017 Student Success Seminar course. You are in Blackboard, and congratulations if you've made it this far. I know you had to go through Angel and take the Succeeding Online in Blackboard to get to this point, so great job. I did want to give you a short tour of our class in Blackboard so you're familiar with some of the areas that will be important for you as we get started on this semester. The first thing you're going to see when you come in is your home page. This is where you can get announcements and your to-do and tasks, and you can take a look around in here. We're right here on the home page. One of the first things that you want to do, after you've watched my video of course, is go to the Start Here area. This is where you're going to see a short overview of the course. Our required book is actually an electronic textbook through MindTap. You will have to get a printed access card through the college bookstore. Make sure you get that from them, and then you'll have an access code when you sign in to MindTap. You'll also see the master syllabus, the class syllabus, a short welcome from me, and some expectations that you're going to want to read. You do want to review everything in the Start Here folder. Next thing you'll do is you'll click on your lessons option. There's a Muddy Point discussion forum where you can ask questions if you have a question about the class or anything. You're also going to want to click on the MindTap information for students. There's a video on how to register, or you can just simply click here to register to access MindTap. Once you click on that button, you will then have to register if you don't have a Cengage account, and you can create a new one or just log in. Once you create your account for the first time, you will not have to do that again. You will need your access code though before you go ahead and do that. After you've registered for MindTap and you've looked around, go back to your Lessons tab. And you'll also see we have a student lounge area where you can go in and talk to your fellow students. I would encourage you to take the syllabus MindTap quiz before you open week 1. I'm not going to require it, but I would highly recommend. There's nothing, it's not going to count against you, but it will give you some very good information on what to expect in this class. After you've taken the quiz, go into the week 1 folder. Every week folder is set up similar. You'll have your general information, including what chapter you should read online, and the assignments for the week. You want to review those. There's a materials folder which will have a link to our book online, learning objectives, plus some general information that will help you with your assignments. Back in your assignments folder, you'll have then your assignments for the week. We have a digital scavenger hunt the first week, a registration for SALT, even though it's ungraded. I do want you to do it. And then you're going to be watching a short 2 to 3 minute video, and then you'll come back and you'll discuss that in Blackboard. Now once you watch the video, what you need to do is you need to come back here, click on this option that says Mark Reviewed, and notice that your discussion forum is now open for you to go ahead and start interacting with your fellow students. Finally, over on the left, you do have course messages. This is where you'll get messages, email from me, or I suppose any other student. You can check your grades over on the My Grades tab. You can also see if there's any announcements. We have one announcement about the electronic book, and your course calendar will be here with all your due dates. Finally, I want to just show you that there's a SSC resources, which will allow you to go in and check any resources like the help desk, or not the help desk, but the testing center. And then you also have a link directly to the help desk if you have technical issues. I'm very excited to have you in class. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the Muddy Points or send me a course message.